If you don't like inhaling helium, but still want a chipmunk voice, then, sorry, you're out of luck. Here's why helium makes you sound ridiculously funny. Alright, so helium is like the comedian of the periodic table. When you inhale it, you're replacing the air with a gas that's 6 times lighter. Your vocal cords vibrate faster, and boom, you're suddenly auditioning for Alvin and the Chipmunks. Now, here's the dark twist. Helium's lighter than air, but it's also lighter on common sense. Inhaling too much can starve your brain of oxygen, so, while you might sound hilarious, your brain's like, hey, where's my O2? Not so funny now, right? So next time you grab a balloon, remember, helium might give you a laugh, but it's like playing Russian roulette with your brain cells. Leave the chipmunk voice to the professionals, or, you know, cartoon characters. So there you have it. Helium, nature's comedy act with a dark side. Stay safe, and keep your humor above ground, people. Catch you in the next one.